Hamas has lost its two biggest leaders in almost as many months. But the irony is that Sinwar's strategy is working better than it ever did before. And the belief that his removal will hasten the return of the hostages. All three reactions are wildly misplaced. They'll be short-lived as the celebrations wear over the death of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah. In Hamas's eyes, and to many Palestinians as well, Sinwar died fighting. In the eyes of his troops, the end of this Napoleon came not in ignominious exile in St. Helena, but in combat facing the enemy. Hamas is an institution. Handovers of power are debated and controlled. Over the past year, when communication was very difficult, Hamas maintained its discipline and its cool under huge pressure. The world is silent in the face of this major territorial expansion of the State of Israel. Silence buys time, and time buys death. The only response that these plans will elicit is a permanent war on all fronts by every people in the Arab world. Those who stay on the sidelines today will not do so tomorrow. They'll be shamed into action. It's only a matter of time before this war and these tactics involve every country threatened by Israel's ever-expanding borders. In the history of this conflict, has the need to fight back seemed more urgent. Today, the Golan Heights are annexed, and 2/3 of the West Bank are about to go the same way. Under the current military plan to give up to 400,000 people left in northern Gaza the option of starving or dying, the army is in the process of ethnically cleansing 1/3 of Gaza.